giving out Gatorade.
Yeah. I would take the whole thing. Let me get that halved up. Oh, alright.
Giving out Gatorade, Mark. You want Gatorade? I'm going around giving all the guys. I see y'all out here working and stuff, man. I don't know about to offer y'all nothing cold to drink. Yeah. So I said, I'm gonna do it. All right. Let's see. It's
The head, you got 1, 2, 3,